The M3 is an American submachine gun adopted by the U.S. Army on 1942 during the World War II as the United States submachine gun. This gun was designed to replace the legendary Thompson gun. At that time, the U.S. military was looking for a cheap weapon with high productivity. Therefore, its production cost was much cheaper, and it was easier to make. Its appearance was not beautiful at all, and it was known as grease gun due to its resemblance to mechanic's tool. It was a good gun for tank crews in Europe and Marine forces in East Asia. M3 is a .45 caliber submachine gun with firing rate of 450 RPM, and its effective firing range is 100 yards or 91 meters. This gun is fed with 30 and 32 round box magazines. In 1944, there were several reports of this weapon's poor performance in critical situations. So the designers tried to solve the problems of this gun. And in December 1944, a modernized version of the M3 known as the M3A1 was introduced into service. After World War II, this weapon was widely used by American forces in the Korean War in the 1950s. More than 600,000 of these weapons have been produced to date.